G'day and welcome to the Alerts page. This feature is a lifesaver for staying on top of expiring qualifications so that your attainments list does not look like mine. Once set up, it automatically will send an alert notification for any training or skills that are approaching their expiry date, so nothing falls through the cracks. You can set up alerts for a person's individual skills, like a medical, or for company-wide qualifications. It's your safety net for compliance. To create a new skill, simply hit the plus button and fill out the necessary details, and then click Save. The alert will only trigger and send an email when its conditions are met. On the main screen here, we've got our standard search bar. Obviously, it won't do much because I've only got one alert set up, but you'll have lots because you want to stay compliant and on top of things, so I'm sure this will come in handy. You've got your different status filters over here, so use those. Then you've also got your edit button, your bin, and if you want to run the alert just to do a check, you can click this run button here and you can organize to have it run. And that's really all there is to it. Now you can set up automated reminders and relax, knowing you'll be notified before anything important expires. Here's a quick tip. If an alert is no longer needed, we suggest changing its status to inactive instead of deleting. That way you'll still have a record of it for later.